Friends, welcome to the practice set 3, and in this set we shall practice questions from financial rules related to general financial rules, government accounting rules, receipt and payment rules, civil account manual, and central treasury rules. Friends, there are 30 questions in the set. Please write down 1 to 30 in a paper and read the questions and write the option of the answer against the number. There is the last slide, there is answers. Please check your answers and assess your performance. Friends, for better performance in the practice set, please read my videos that are provided in my channel RK Didactics. So first question is, who is responsible for preparation of annual accounts of Union Government? Option A, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Option B, the Comptroller General of Accounts. Option C, the Principal Accounts Officer of the respective ministries and departments. Option D, Chief Accounting Authorities of the respective ministries. So question is, who is responsible for preparation of annual accounts of Union Government? What are the three parts of government account? Option A, capital account, revenue account, debt and borrowings. Option B, consolidated fund, contingency fund, and public accounts. Option C, union account, state account, union territory account. So what are the three parts of government account? Which of the following cannot be incurred without sanction of competent authorities? Option A, contract contingencies. Option B, scale regulated contingencies. Option C, special contingencies. Option D, none of these. Which of the following cannot be incurred without sanction of competent authority? What is the major heads for contingency fund and public account? Option A, 8,000 for contingency fund and 9,001 to 9995 for public account. Option B, 8,000 for contingency fund and 8,001 to 8995 for public accounts. Option C, 8,000 for contingency fund and 8011 to 8995 for public accounts. Option D, 8,000 for contingency fund and 8011 to 8999 for public accounts. So what is the major heads for contingency fund and public accounts? What is charge and voted expenditure? Option A, expenditure which is subject to the vote of the legislature is known as voted expenditure, whereas charge expenditure is not put to vote of the legislature. Option B, both charge and vote expenditure are put to vote of legislature, but charge expenditure are specifically charged from one head of accounts. Option C, none of these. For inter-departmental payments, the departments of a government shall be divided into option A, service department and supply department. Option B, commercial department and non-commercial departments. Option C, service departments and commercial departments. Option D, commercial departments and supply departments. If a firm quotes nil charges or consideration in response to a bid invited by a department, how will be the offer treated? Option A, the bid shall be treated as unresponsive and will not be considered. Option B, the bid shall be accepted without any condition. Option C, the bid shall be accepted with ascertaining the reason for such offer. Option D, none of these. Which is correct on two-bid system of procurement. Option A. In this system, two separate bids are received as technical bids and financial bids. Option B. In the first stage, the technical bids are to be opened at first instance and evaluated by a competent committee. Option C. In the second stage, the financial bids of those bidders who are requalified at technical bid will be opened after intimating them. Option D. All of these. What is electronic reverse auction? Option A. It is a method of bidding where the bidders auction the goods and services for the government agency. Option B. It is a method of auction of the goods and services that is provided by the government agency. Option C. It is an online real-time purchasing technique utilized to select the successful bid, which involves presentation by bidders during a scheduled period of time, and the bids are automatically evaluated. Option D. None of these. Which of the following is not considered as goods as per general financial rules? Option A. All articles, material, commodity, livestock, furniture, fixture, raw material, spares, instruments, machinery, equipments, etc. Option B. A group of machineries comprising of an integrated production process or intangible for the use of government. Option C. Works and services which are incidental or consequential to the supply of such goods like transportation, insurance, etc. Option D. Books, publications, periodicals, etc. for a library. For purchases outside GEM, the department shall procure which of the following model as decided at the time of preparation of budget estimates. Option A. CAP model. Option B. OPEX model. Option C. Either OPEX or CAPEX model. Option D. None of these. Service departments are constituted for the discharge of those functions which are inseparable from and form part of the idea of government. Which of the following is not a service department? Option A. Department of Justice. Option B. Public Works Department. Option C. Forest Department. Option D. Education Department. The amount of each bill should, as far as whole rupees are concerned, be written in words as well as in figures, which is not a correct mode of writing. Option A. Rupees 26 only. Option B. Rupees 25 and 25 paisa. Option C. Rupees 28. Option D. None of these. Receipts must be stamped under Section 3, read with Item 53 of Schedule 1 of the Indian Stamp Act 1899, unless they are exempt from stamp duty for all sums exceeding rupees 100, rupees 1000, rupees 5000, rupees 10,000. What is the period of validity of a check? Option A. Check shall be payable within 3 months from the date of issue. Option B. Check shall be payable within 40 days after the month of issue. Option C. Check shall be payable within 90 days after the date of issue. Option D. Check shall be payable within 6 months after the month of issue. When an accounts officer disallows a payment as unauthorized, the disbursing officer is bound to recover the amount disallowed. Generally, the recoveries from a government servant may not be made. Option A. At the rate exceeding half of the pay. Option B. At the rate exceeding one third of pay. Option C. At a rate exceeding one fourth of pay. Option D. At a rate exceeding one fifth of pay. What is the digit code of a major head? Option A. A 4-digit code is allotted to major head. The first digit indicating it is a receipt head or revenue expenditure head. or capital expenditure head or loans and advance head, or it pertains to public account. Option B, a 6-digit code is allowed to measure head, the first digit indicating it is a receipt head or revenue expenditure head or capital expenditure or loan and advances head, or it pertains to public account. For prevention of the fraudulent use of sub-vouchers, it shall be observed by all drawing and controlling officers. Unless it is distinctly provided otherwise by any rule or order, no sub-voucher shall be destroyed until after a lapse of days years. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Any transaction which cannot be allotted directly to any department or to any head of accounts are kept under option A 8658 suspend account civil classified suspense, option B 8657 suspense account civil unclassified suspense, option C 8659 suspense account civil classified suspense, option D 8658 suspend account civil unclassified suspense. Remittance between small coin depots or between small coin depot and mint shall not pass through the treasury account. The statement is true or false. Where the cash business of treasury is conducted by bank, the bank renders a monthly accounts of receipt and payment to the AG related to pension payment for defense and railways. The statement is true or false. Whether the receipt on behalf of railways is entered in treasury accounts. Option A yes, option B no, option C based on the nature of receipt. The Organization of Comptroller General of Accounts functions under option A Comptroller and Auditor General of India, option B Indian Audit and Accounts Department, option C the Department of Expenditure of the Ministry of Commerce, option D the Department of Expenditure of the Ministry of Finance. Who is responsible for revision of treasury rules, account codes and provisions of general financial rules in so far as they relate to the form and system of accounts? Option A Finance Ministry, option B Law Department, option C Comptroller General of Accounts, option D Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Not negotiable and not payable in cash checks are also referred as category A checks, category B checks, category C checks, category D checks.
Short-term advances are recoverable in less than dash installments. Option A 30, option B 40, option C 50, option D none of these.
Grants in aids are required to be utilized within 1 year after the date of sanction, and therefore the usage due after 12 months from option A the date of sanction of the grant, option B close of the financial year, option D either of these. The higher or penal rate of interest for default in payment of government loans should be less than 2.50% above the normal rate of interest at which a loan is sanctioned, be more than 2.50% above the normal rate of interest at which a loan is sanctioned, be more than 2.75% above the normal rate of interest at which a loan is sanctioned, be less than 2.75% above the normal rate of interest at which a loan is sanctioned. Intergovernmental adjustment is carried out up to the date on which the books of the Reserve Bank are closed for the month of March. What is the date? Option A, March 31st. Option B, April 5. Option C, April 10. Option D, April 30. Central Account section of RBI, which is responsible for keeping a complete account of receipt and payments, including intergovernmental adjustment and adjustment interest of defense, railways and post other than telecommunications, on account of central government, is situated at option A New Delhi, option B Mumbai, option C Nagpur, option D Chennai. Now we shall discuss the answers. Question 1, answer B, 2 B, 3 C, 4 B, 5 A, 6 C, 7 A, 8 D, 9 C, 10 D, 11 C, 12 B, 13 C, 14 C, 15 A, 16 B, 17 A, 18 B, 19 D, 20 A, 21 B, 22 B, 23 D, 24 C, 25 C, 26 B, 27 A, 28 D, 29 C, 30 C. So if you score more than 20, then it is very good, and more than 25, it is outstanding. And if you found the video beneficial, you may subscribe to RK Didactics and also share the video for your other friends in their WhatsApp group and Facebook groups. Thank you.